And in this episode of the Happy Hustle Podcast, we're talking about the future of AI in entrepreneurship, specifically 8 tactical ways to work smarter, not harder by leveraging AI. No, you know what? We're just going to dive into this episode of the Happy Hustle.
Do you want blissful balance in your personal and professional life? Great. What's up, guys? My name is Cary Jack, and I want to help you happy hustle a life you love, one full of passion, purpose, and positive impact. I'm a lifestyle entrepreneur, a professional model / actor, a digital marketing specialist, a podcast host, author, a biohacker, an eco-warrior, a martial artist, a hippie cowboy, and a humanitarian. My goal is to educate, inspire, and entertain you to live a life of passion, purpose, and positive impact. It is time to happy hustle your dream reality.
What's up, y'all? My name is Cary Jack. I am a lifestyle entrepreneur, author, and founder of The Happy Hustle. Actually, I could say best-selling author because we hit number 39 on the USA Today bestseller list and also top 0.5% globally ranked podcast host. Recently, we just had the Montana Mastermind epic skiing adventure where 25 world-class happy hustling entrepreneurs all came together, and we had a whole roundtable on AI and how to leverage it for your brand and for your business. So I want to pull back the curtain and tell you some of the things that were shared and actually share with you how you can use it, increase your efficiency and enhance your productivity and ultimately increase your freedom. All right, first and foremost, create content faster than ever. You can use tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, Opus Clip, Canva, Claude, the list goes on. But you know right now, content is king. You really need to capture attention with your content, and AI makes your content more easily to create. Okay, so it can write emails, social posts, blogs in your voice. You can use Canva AI for slick designs. The result here is publish daily without being chained to your laptop by leveraging AI. Okay, number 2, automate lead gen and qualification. So a couple tools here, clay.com, instantly.ai, and then Surfer SEO. You know, lead acquisition, this is what builds your business. So you want to stop manually hunting leads and let AI cover it. You can auto-personalize messages, lots of stuff here. But the result that I want you to take away is a full pipeline while you are doing other things is what you desire. So leverage AI to fill that pipeline of prospects so then you can convert them using our sales roadmap system. Shameless plug there. If you're curious, check it out at thehappyhustle.com/sales. But regardless, I digress. That is number 2. Number 3, podcast and video scripting made easy. Actually, this right here was scripted by AI. It was joint effort, my brain and AI's brain, to create this outline. And you can use tools like Cast Magic, Descript, ChatGPT. Again, it's a total game changer. If you create content, you can do drafts, outlines, questions, catchy titles, all the things. Do pull quotes, timestamps, clips automatically, and you can edit the audio and the video very easy. The point here is repurpose one episode into a dozen different assets. Number 4, hyper-personalized marketing at scale. That's the difference. You want to stop with the shotgun approach and use the sniper rifle instead, but leverage AI to personalize it. You can even use AI tools like Persado, ConvertKit AI. Also, there's tools that you can record a video and then it could take your prospect's name and insert it into the video at specific places. Lots of stuff here. I just want to scratch the surface. You know, we talked a lot about this stuff with our guys, so it's important to have just a basic understanding. But craft tools and emails on behaviors and interests. AI crafts emails that are tailored to your prospects' behaviors and interests. Okay. Number 5, boost sales with AI-assisted calls. I know. You can use tools like attention.ai, fireflies.ai, lavender, etc. But basically imagine having like a sales coach in your ear. That can be AI for you. AI listens to calls, gives live objection handling prompts, summarizes calls, pulls action items, updates your CRMs. Lavender helps you write emails that actually get replies. The result, close more deals, less follow-up, and burnout for you. Number 6, launch digital products on autopilot. Tools that you can utilize, koala.sh, notion.ai, Gemini on Google Workspace, all that stuff. Turn your expertise into income. That's really what we're after. AI creates those courses, those ebooks, those slides much faster. You can structure your content and build assets that sell while you sleep. And that's what it's all about. Happy hustling with ease and making money and impact in the service of others. The result here is digital products on demand and evergreen revenue. Okay, number 7 and 8, like I said, these are interesting. So number 7 is 24/7 AI customer service and chatbots. Some tools you could check out: Intercom AI, ManyChat, Chat-based.co, etc. Also, Build with OS is a tool we're using. They have an AI feature, but the point is there's so much that you can leverage for customer service without the headaches. AI handles FAQs, booking calls, even DM conversations, and 80% of your customer needs can be solved automatically. The result here is serve more customers and stay sane, and customer service is imperative. Okay, so really leverage AI to help you. Number 8, AI-powered market research and data-driven decisions. This is huge. ChatGPT, advanced data, Perplexity AI, Trend Spider. See, the truth is data don't lie, y'all. Make sure that you get AI to help you clean up your data and make decisions that are best for you and your business and for your customers. So have it analyze trends, pull competitor insights, summarize reports, make it smarter, faster, and real-time data centric. Really take that data and make decisions based on it, okay? Result, strategic growth moves, right? No guessing, real data helps inform your decisions. So those are the 8 tools. I am going to recap them right now. The 8 AI tools that you can utilize, or tactics will you. Number 1, create content faster than ever. Number 2, automate leads and help qualify them using AI. Number 3, podcast and video scripting can be made easy with AI. Number 4, hyper-personalized marketing at scale. Number 5, boost sales with AI-assisted calls. Number 6, launch digital products on autopilot leveraging AI. Number 7, 24/7 AI customer service and chatbots. Number 8, AI-powered market research and data-driven decisions. And AI is here to enhance us, y'all. We got to leverage it. We got to be strategic with it. It's like the calculator. If you don't use it, it's going to take you a lot longer to do the math problem. So leverage AI and really be ahead of the curve. That's what we're talking about inside our Happy Hustle Club private communities. And it's stuff that you should be leveraging and utilizing so you don't get left behind. So I hope this was valuable. Share this with somebody who could also benefit. Like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. But most importantly, don't get left behind. Leverage it and actually be ahead of the curve. Okay? I appreciate the heck out of you. I know you could be anywhere, but you're here. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. I freaking love you. I'm out. Peace and love, y'all.